Hey everyone, today we are doing a unboxing of the Rockpals 80-watt portable solar panel. I've already taken the liberty of taking this all out of the box to save a little time. Down here you have all the connectors for connecting your different battery boxes. A couple more in there. We've got basically a business card that has your service number and the times for service, your email through Amazon, a Walmart email, your Facebook, and your official Rockpals website. Then you have, of course, this little user guide. And this comes in a nice little carry case with a couple handles. I unstrapped these already to make it easy. In here is where your cables and stuff would store, and your controller is in here for his panel. So you have a parallel port, because yes, you can hook two of these together, two panels, and you have a USB out and a DC out. So you can plug in your laptop, you can plug in a tablet, you can charge your phone, you can do anything that can go USB through there. Get this opened up. 4 panels. I'm not going to peel the plastic off them yet because we're not to that part. Right now we're just doing the unboxing, and we'll get back with a testing and review videos. We'll do a few of them. These would be the legs for propping this up towards the sun. I guess that's about it for our unboxing today of the Rockpals 80-watt portable solar panel.